Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. Right now, I'm looking out my patio door here. There's snow on the ground, but it's into middle January now, and I know a lot of people thinking about spring break, getting ready, getting clothes. And another big thing for spring break is got to have the tan. I know you got to have the tan. Well, I got a couple things that might help out with that. From b.tan, I've got an applicator kit with a mitt and a I don't know, back thing. I mean, I don't know about you, but my arms don't reach around like that like they used to. Uh, doing all this with your hands. But this is a lifesaver for me, and wife likes it real well. And the mitt does a great job. Puts it on smooth, and get away from all the splotches and everything. But b.tan, get you some now. Thanks. Bye now.